Good morning grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. Let's discuss the questions from revision time exercise of chapter 9 today. So here we have the first question. It says give two examples for algebraic equations. So we have seen when you equate an algebraic expression to a condition with an equal to sign, you call that as an algebraic equation. So here you can write any two examples of algebraic equations. I have just given here two examples. The first one is x plus 5 equal to 1 and the next one is y minus 10 is equal to 2. The first one is an algebraic equation in the variable x and the second one is an algebraic equation in the variable y. So you can write any two examples of your own. These are just suggestions. So let's see this next question. Question number 2. It says check whether x equal to 2 is a solution of the following equations. So here you are given a few equations. You are given 4 algebraic equations and you have to check if x is equal to 2 is a solution in each case. For example, let's see the first case. 4 minus x is equal to x. So how do you check if a given solution is the right one for a given equation? You have to prove that the left hand side of the equation is equal to the right hand side. So let's have a look at the left hand side of the equation. When x is equal to 2, the left hand side 4 minus x becomes equal to 4 minus 2 and what is 4 minus 2? It is equal to 2. Now look at the right hand side. In the right hand side we have x. Here we have to apply x equal to 2. So the right hand side becomes equal to 2. Now compare the LHS and the RHS. The left hand side equal to the right hand side. LHS equal to RHS and hence we can say x is equal to 2 is a solution of the equation 4 minus x equal to x. Now you have to check whether x equal to 2 is a solution of the remaining equations given here. We have to prove whether LHS equal to RHS in each case. Let's see the next question, question number 3. It says form two equations such that minus 3 is a solution of both. So you have to write any two examples of equations in which minus 3 is a solution for the equation. That is, the variable in the equation should be equal to minus 3. So you can write any examples of your own. I have written two examples here. The first one, 3x equal to minus 9. This is just an example. 3x equal to minus 9. So what will be x? X will be equal to minus 9 divided by 3. Minus 9 divided by 3 is equal to minus 3. So this is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. The solution here is minus 3. Hence 3x equal to minus 9 is an equation with the solution minus 3. Now let's see the next equation. 21 by x is equal to minus 7. Now let's cross multiply, bringing 7 here and taking x there. So this becomes equal to 21 by minus 7 is equal to x. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3 and 21 divided by minus 7 is equal to minus 3. So minus 3 is equal to x. See, we got the solution for this equation is minus 3. So in both these equations, the solution is minus 3. You can write your own examples of equations in which the solution is minus 3. Now let's see the next question, question number 4. It says, find out what will balance the second pan in each case. Here in each set, you can see two balances. This is question A. Here you can see 1 square and 3 circles are balanced by 6 circles on the other side. Now, in the question, you have to find out what will balance 2 squares. So to find out what will balance 2 squares, we need to find out what will balance 1 square first. So this is the question given to us. 1 square and 3 circles balanced by 6 circles on the other pan. So how can we find out what equates 1 square here? What if we take away these 3 circles from this side? We have to do the same on the other side to keep it balanced. So from this side also we have to remove or take away or subtract 3 circles. The corresponding picture will look like this. We will get 1 square is equal to 3 circles. So now that we got what equates 1 square, we can easily find out what equates 2 square or what balances 2 squares. Now, if 1 square equal to 3 circles, what will be 2 squares? 2 squares will be equal to 2 times 3 circles. That is 2 squares is equal to 6 circles. So, in the picture given there in the textbook, you can draw 6 circles corresponding to 2 squares and they will be balanced. Similarly, you have to work out the next question, question B. Now, let's discuss question number 5. And it says, find out the value of x by the principle of balance. So, this is a similar question. Here, 2 expressions are balanced. Now, you have to find out what will balance the variable x. So, here we are asked to find out the value of the variable x using the principle of balances. So, from this diagram, we see that x plus 7 is equal to 2x plus 1. That is, x plus 7 is equal to 2x plus 1. Now, how can we solve this? See, by the principle of balances, if we add or subtract or multiply or divide the same quantity on the left hand side of the equation, we have to do the same on the right hand side of the equation, and then the equation will be balanced. So, here x plus 7 is equal to 2x plus 1. I am going to subtract 7 from the left hand side. That means x plus 7 minus 7. Now, to keep it balanced, we need to do the same on the right hand side. So, this becomes equal to 2x plus 1 minus 7. So, here plus 7 and minus 7, they are additive inverse. So, the sum becomes 0. So, this becomes equal to x plus 0 is equal to 2x. See, 1 minus 7, which is equal to minus 6. That is, x is equal to 2x minus 6. Now, how can we find out x from here? See, here x is positive, 2x is positive and the 6 is negative. So, we are going to take this 6 to the left hand side. So, this minus 6 becomes plus 6 on the other side. So, when you bring minus 6 from the right hand side to the left hand side, it becomes plus 6. That is, here this is equal to x plus 6 is equal to 2x. Now, let's take this x to the right hand side. So, on the left hand side x is positive, and when you take that to the right hand side, you have to take it as negative. So, here this becomes 6 is equal to 2x and this x to be taken to the right hand side, and here it becomes 2x minus x. 2x minus x is the same as 2x minus 1x. So, that is 6 is equal to x. So, we got the solution x is equal to 6. So, this means to balance these two expressions, the value of the variable x has to be 6. So, similarly, you can apply the principle of balance and find out the value of the variable x in the next case as well. You can note down the answer, the value of the variable in the textbook itself, and you can do the calculation in your notebook. Now, children, I hope all the questions we discussed today are clear to you. You have to make sure that you complete the questions from 1 to 5 of revision time, and you have to take a picture and submit your answers in Microsoft Teams. We'll discuss the rest of the questions in the next class. Till then, bye.